Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to show you a detox mask and it's very easy to make. You just need two ingredients for that. So you need gram flour and charcoal powder, and I am using this Good Vibes charcoal powder, and it's also very affordable, 150. Its price is 150 and you get 35 gram of charcoal powder, and this charcoal powder is very good. I have been using this charcoal powder for a long time and it's very good. And this is a Ganesh basin. You can take any brand's basin you want. Now this is the basin that was there at my home, so I have taken that. So then I would just take this basin, plain basin, nothing inside, and then I would just take this charcoal powder, and this charcoal powder also has tea tree essential oil in it, so it is like good. वैसे तो charcoal is very good, and if with tea tree essential oil, it just doubles up its benefits. So we all know how much tea tree essential oil is good for our skin, and so that's why I would be just taking this one, and I would be just mixing 1/4. Like I would if you have taken two one I have taken 1.5 teaspoon of gram flour, so I would take one fourth spoon of charcoal powder, and I would just mix it inside, just mix it properly, and then I would just mix it with water. See, it has turned ashy, and then I would just mix it with water, and just mix water gradually, not at once, otherwise the face pack would become very thin, like very watery, and it won't give the benefit that we want from this face pack. I have taken a very little amount of water, and I would just mix it, and I would just mix. Yes, this is the consistency that we want. Mix, and this is the consistency that we want from this face pack. And this face pack is very easy to make, and now I would just apply it. There are so many benefits of using this detox face mask. Charcoal removes impurities, reduces acne breakouts, controls oiliness, and absorbs the toxins. Charcoal unclogs pores, removes dead cells, and basin removes tan, reduces oiliness, reduces pimples, reduces excess oil from skin, and there are so many other benefits of charcoal and basin. So, in combination, this detox mask is very beneficial, and as a result, you will get a smooth, supple, and even toned skin. And please, guys, do a patch test before using this, because you may be allergic to any ingredient, because natural ingredients are not suitable for everyone. So please do a patch test before using this mask. So I am just applying the mask all over my face, and then I would just, you can use your finger to apply, or you can use a brush, but I am using spoon. You can even use spoon. So then I am just applying it slowly. I am applying the mask all over my face, only leaving the area around my eyes and my eyebrows. And then I have already applied the mask, and I would let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I would wash it off with plain water. So now the mask is almost dry. Now I would wash it off with plain water, and now I am pat drying my face with the help of a towel. I have already washed my face, and this is how my face is looking. So you can do this face pack once in a week or once in 15 days, and this face pack is very good. It's very easy to make, and this will give you a lot of benefits. So I hope you all have liked the video. If you did, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will meet you in my next video. Up till then, stay safe, stay happy, goodbye, love you all.